I'm going to show you how to make raya knot fringe. That's what I used right here. These 4 knots are called raya knot fringe. In this landscape tapestry weaving, they represent rain coming down out of a storm cloud. And then I also have some at the bottom. So to do it, the first thing you need to make is a bunch of little pieces of fringe, all the little pieces that will be wrapped around and knotted. So to do that, you're going to have a piece of cardboard and you're going to be wrapping it around here. You hold it with your thumb, keep that tight right there, and then wrap around. And you'll know how much you need, like how much you want to use, how many fringes you want to make, how big you want each fringe to be. Don't use too many though. And if class is over, make sure that you save them somehow so they don't go to waste. When you have enough, I think for us that will be enough right there. You want to clip it on the same bottom edge where you're holding it. And then very carefully slip the scissors. Let's see, I'm going to do it like that. Slip the scissors underneath. You might need to get somebody to help you. And then snip along the bottom so they all come out. And hopefully they're all almost the same length. If they're not, it's not the end of the world. We can fix that later. So then you're going to divide them into the bunches that you want them to be in for the raya knots. You might want them all the same color. You might want to have multicolored ones. And they're going to be doubled over. So that's something to consider as far as how many you use in each raya knot. I think I'm going to do, let's see, kind of dividing up my bunches here. I think I want to do 2 sets of each color in each one. So I'll end up with 3 raya knots. So I'm going to set those over there while I'm working with this one. You want to even them all up, make sure that all the ends are together and straight. And then you decide where you want it. I think I'm going to put mine right in the center here. So I'm going to do, let's see, I'm kind of make a U shape, and then I look at the 2 that it will go around, and I go through there, pull it out, and it goes underneath the U shape, and then through there, pull it out. See, they both come down through the middle of those 2. And through the U shape. And I want to make sure it's kind of straight. And then I go ahead and pull it like that. See how they all bunched up and made a knot around those 2? And then I pull it down. So there's my first one. I wanted it right in the middle. And I think I'll do this one right here on those 2. So again, bunching it up. And then goes around that and through the middle, around that and through the middle. And then this is just kind of a different way to do it. I've got both of them going around and through the middle there. You can kind of see. And then put all those down through here. So all it's doing is the ends come through the middle of the 2 and the U shape goes around. If you need to even things up, you can even them up a little bit more at this point. And then kind of go like this gently, get it straightened out and pull it down nice and snug. One more. And you can always play the video again if you forgot how to do it or just need to see it again. So I'll do this the first way that I did it. Around here and through, and then under, around that one, in between, and then back under. And again, I'm going to straighten my ends out. Get it even and pull down. And there's my three raya knots or fringe. Now at this point you might decide to go ahead and trim those. If you do, you can kind of go like that, like when people are getting a haircut. Hold it all together in between your fingers. Be careful not to cut your fingers. And make sure you do it with the really sharp, good scissors. The big kid scissors, the ones that are a little larger over there, a little more pointed, they're probably the best ones to do it with.